Hey you guys, what's up? Good morning. It is currently 7:19 and it's Thursday, July 30th of 2019. Sorry about the bruises on my arm. But anyways, today is exciting because I get my new replacement phone. I'm so excited. Hopefully everything goes through and I get my new phone. So yeah. But currently laying down, still tired, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm excited to get my phone back, get a new replacement. I honestly thought that I wasn't gonna get any help. I called the police about my phone, about everything that was missing, and they did not want to help me. So thank God for my ex, thank God for Angel Triana. If you guys don't know him, we've been together, we've known each other for 8 to 9 years. Okay. Um, But yeah, thanks to him, I get to have my phone back. And you know what I gotta say to my sister? Fuck you, you fucking lying ass bitch. Fucking stealing ass bitch. But anyways, I will talk to you guys later. Hey you guys, what's up? It is currently 9:11 and I'm with this fool right here.
What's up?
We'll see where it goes. We've known each other for 9 to 8 years, so please don't judge. If you judge, I really don't care, but we're headed to his place. He's got some new glasses and stuff, so yay, he's needed glasses for like years. I kept on telling him, like, you need to get new glasses and get a new doctor's appointment and make sure your eyes are good and all of that stuff. So yeah, he made that appointment and he got his glasses coming in. Glasses coming in. So yeah, and then I have my iPhone XR replacement coming in. Thanks to him, he paid $200. Well, you know how it is. We had insurance on the phone, but it paid most of everything except for $200 and something. So it's better than paying $800 because iPhones aren't cheap. And this big old motherfucker. Oh my God, he's gonna hit you. Oh my God. My heart. This motherfucker, you see him? Big ass motherfucker. But anyways, y'all, I'll talk to you guys later. So you guys, it is currently 12:27, and guess what came in the mail? Guess what came in the mail? I'm so excited. So excited. Let's get it. Alright. So, I don't want to show my address or nothing. But yeah, this came in the mail, y'all. Guess what it is? Guess what it is? Guess what it is? Guess what it is? Alright. I know my babies wanted to open it. He wanted to open it, but I was just like, no siree. Do you have a knife, baby? Babies. Okay. Alright, let's get to it. Let's open it up. I'm excited. I'm fucking excited as hell. I get my old number back. Gosh, I'm so excited! Babies! Oh yeah, he went to go get my bag. I forgot. Oh my gosh, look at it, y'all. Your life reconnected. I like that it says that, because I did tell him, I got my phone stolen. Look, y'all. Oh my gosh.
And I did give my password and my email to my baby so that, you know, if I ever forget it or anything like that. Okay, babies. So we got a SIMS card. We got the little, we got a charger. And then we got the phone. So let's open it. Oh God, I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited. I hadn't had my phone for a week. And honestly, I missed it. Like, the quality of it, the everything, you know, I missed everything about this phone. So, yeah. Oh my gosh. Look. Let's open it. The satisfaction of opening it. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's turn it on. Let's get it. Oh gosh, I'm so excited, y'all, and I'm gonna keep the packaging because, you know, you have to. Turn it on. Oh shit. And now I gotta set it up. But yeah, guys, I got my new phone. I'm excited. Same number, same everything, of course. But anyways, my sister, I got something to say to you. Fuck you, you lying ass, stealing ass, thieving ass bitch. Sorry, my bad, y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna go set this phone up and I'll talk to you guys later. Hey you guys, what's up? It is currently 2:04 and I just got done with Verizon and getting my phone set up because we tried to do it at home and we had to go to Verizon. But I got this and I got a couple of things for my phone. I got a mobile charge stream pad. I got my Glass Privacy Extreme Impact and Privacy Protection. I got this one because I don't want people seeing my shit. And then I got this one, which is the Slick Protection OtterBox. So yeah, I got that one too. My phone's about to die, so I'll catch you guys at home when I put this stuff on. I got my iPhone right here, my new iPhone, so yeah. But anyways, I will see you guys later.